PDQ, best darn car wash in town.
This is how it should be done.
Pleasant surroundings, quiet.
High tech, no clutter.
A man can relax, no worries, no hassles.
They take such care.
Solid-looking crew.
First class.
Now that's a pleasant experience.
PDQ does it right.
PDQ. I like this place.
This is some car wash.
Everything is so well ordered, so neat.
It's fun. I can see it come clean.
It's nice not to worry.
That crew doesn't miss a thing.
They're not afraid to do windows.
My car is positively glowing.
Can't imagine going anywhere else.
PDQ does it right.